Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel in of Python programming for beginners. In last lecture, last part, we have learned what is input, output, variables, data types, and in today's lecture, in this part, we are going to learn what is Python operator. So let us continue with that. So first, understand what are operators. A operator is special symbol or keyword that perform an operation on one or more variables. Operands, variables, and operands. Operators are used to perform tasks such as mathematical calculation, assigning value, comparing values, combining condition, checking membership, or checking object identity. Operator is just a symbol or a keyword that actually perform or operation. Operations such as addition, subtraction, and many more types of operators. Example, as you can see, for example, a for a variable A, we have assigned 10, and for B, we have assigned 5. If we are going to use the operator plus and additional operator and going to print A plus B, it is going to be 15. Why do we need, let us understand why do we even need operators? Operators help us to perform different operation on data. They are used to perform calculation, compare value, assign values to variable, make decision. So operator is basically a type that actually perform calculations and tells computer about to how to make decisions or make what kind of decisions should be made. So let us understand the different types of operators. First is arithmetic operator that actually perform mathematical operations. Second is assignment operator, which is used for assigning value. Third is comparison operator for comparing two values. And fourth is logical operator for combine condition. And fifth is identity operator, compare object identity, what kind of it is. And after that, there is a membership operator to check what kind of membership it is. And for last, it is bitwise operator to perform binary operations. So first, let us go with arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operation on number. They are most common used operator in Python. Arithmetic operators are which types of operator such as to do mathematical operation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus or exponential and different types of operator. So let us go with an example of mathematical operator. First, we are going to create a sign, mm, uh, uh, Where dot p arithmetic operator dot p. All right. So let us understand what is it is. And for now, we will take a value a as a equals to. We will take from input from user. So we will take int input enter first number, and after that we are going to take variable name d for taking for second input uh, uh, from user. So let us go with front for first my operator is addition a plus b. First mathematical operation is a plus b. If we are going to run it, then as you let's take our first number 10 and for our second number 30. As you can see after that it, it is take the sum of both a plus b. So that's what the additional operator do to add, and let us go with. So for our second operator, let us understand what is subtraction, how the subtraction operator works. Its work is such as same, take the value 10 and 4, and it is going to be a 6 as you. And as for third one, for for multiplication, multiplication, we do not use operators such as x or other. We use the operator name asterisk as star, as you can see star. So after running it, it is it was 10 into 45. So as you can see, it multiplied the both. And let us go with division operator. Let us go with division operator. As for the division operator, it's a slash. We use a slash. So 45 divided by 6. Sorry, uh, sorry, 45, 46 divided by 4, and it is going to be 11.5. So that's what how the division operator is going to be give the value. And if we are going, it is also going to give the value in numerator such as 6. It is going to be 7.5 and give the value in decimal if needed. And if not, it is all going to be integer. Since Python actually assign automatically. So as for the modulus, so let us understand first what the modulus is. Modulus is basically after making the in division, after making the division, what's actually left remainder, it is the values of modulus. That's what modulus is. Such as if I do the division 47 divided by 3. So it is going to be 15 in quarter, and for remainder quadrant it is going to be 15, and for remainder it is going to be 2. So modulus is it gives the remainder value of any any two division. That's what modulus do. And after modulus, let us go with exponential. It's exponential for the power we do not use such as operator name as this operand name as power. For power it is not used this it is like double asterisk. We uses the operator double asterisk, and that's how. Such as if we print 9 to the power 3, it is going to be 789. And as you can see, it is going to be 789. After that, let us go with float division. So float division, what let us understand what the float division is. Float division only give the integral part of a division such as quadrant. It is not going to give uh, uh, remainder such as if we are going to print 47 divided by 3, it is going to be 15. And quadrant for quadrant, it not going to give remainder or any other floating decimal part. Is only going to give the integral part. If we combine both modulus and quadrant, such as 47 divided by 3. So modulus gives the remainder part, and float division gave the quadrant part. Mm, So that's what they do. So after that, that's this is this is it. So as you can see, the additional operator adds two value, subtraction subtract one value from another, multiplication multiply, asterisk do the multiplication of two values, division we use slash, for modulus we use the operator of percentage. It's called modulus, and for exponential or raising power, we uses the double asterisk, and for float, we use double slash. Float division. So that's what the operator is. This is what assigning. So for next is assignment and operator. So next is assignment operator dot p assignment operator dot p1. So let us first understand what a assignment operator is. Assignment operator are used to assign values to variable. They can be also combined as for arithmetic operands with assignment to make the code stronger and easier to use. Assignment operator is basically a operator which is used to assign value in variable or such as equals to is used for uh, as you can see equals to is used for assigning 10 in a or such as that. So let us go with some example. So for that we are going to x equals to, let us take with input from user in int int input and number enter number. After that, so first one is actually assigning operator which is used to assign values in any operation. We have already seen that, so let us go with add and assign. So what add and assign actually it is going to and let us take another input such as y. Let us understand take y first is second and for that first Mm, So what the addition and assign add and assign operator do is basically it is going to add in it, such as if we take our first number 10, then it is going to and second number 5, so it is going to be 15. Although it's work like assignment operator, so it is going to be add in x. Although it works like assignment operator as x plus y, but it is actually what it is do is only going to assign the value in x, such as like this. It is going to be x equals to x plus y. Uh, Instead of this, we can also use operator x equals to x plus y. It is also going to give the value for a same, such as 10 plus 5. It is also going to be given. That's what this assignment operator do. It is just going to we doesn't need to write again and again. So as for the second one, so for third one is subtract and assign. Just like addition, subtraction, assignment also do the same. It's going to subtract value from x, whatever is going to be in y. Such as if we're going to add 10 plus y and going to so value of x is going to be reduced by 5. So it is going to be 5. After that, so multiplication, assignment, and so next one is multiply assignment. So just like addition and subtraction, multiplication assignment also do the same. Whatever value is going to be in y, it is going to be multiplied by x. Whatever going to value of x, it is going to multiply by y, and it is going to reassign in x. Mm, Such as if we're going to do 10 into 5, it is going to be 50. After that, it is division, divide and assign. For divide and assign, we use this slash equals to. After slash equals to, it is just like the rest of the three, it also did the same. It is going to assign, divide x with y and is going to reassign in x the division. So that and then next is modulus, just like assignment any other modulus do the same. After that we use 49 divided by 6, it is going to be 1. And next is after modulus. is exponential by power for exponential, you take the value of 45 power 3 is going to be 91,125 and as let's prove with cube division. So first value is 34 divided by 3, it is going to be 11. And as you, so what the assignment operator actually going to do, this is all going to do the same. They are going to such as if x plus equals to 5, then it is going to be x plus 5 and it is going to reassign in x. So that's what they do. The equals to operator assign a value to the variable. Component assignment operator perform operation and assign the result in one step. Instead of taking multiple steps, it is going to assign in one step. Assignment operator make the code shorter and easy to read. They are commonly used in loops, calculations, and data processing. So next is comparison operator. So that was assignment operator. So for practice purpose, I'm going to give it to you. You just need to take values by um, so next one is comparison operator or Boolean operator. Boolean type operators. Oh, uh, the comparison operator. So let us first understand what is comparison operator. Comparison operator are used to compare the two value. That result of comparison is always a Boolean value. What the comparison operator really do, it is going to compare the two value and its resulting value is always going to be in true or false. And this types of operator is usually used in uh, conditions and decision making types of codes. We will so first let us go with our first comparison operator equal double equals to. So for let us take a equals to int input input enter first number and also take second number such as p equals to second number and after that so print a a equal b. So, first operator is let us take the first value 13 and for second also take 13 and as you can see the both the values are same so it is going to give the true and we will also take the different values such as 47 was 67 and it's going to give the as you can see false value. Uh, you also need to remember for the same value such as 46, 46 you don't let it be. I will explain it later. This is what comparison operator is. So next, second one is not true. So let us go with what the not true operator is. Such as it is going to check if uh, let us take 45 and 47, 45, 44 and 45. So what the equals to operator do, it is going to check if the whether the both the operators are equals to or both the operators do the same job. They are going to check whether the both the operator is equal or and for second one it is going to check if the both the of both variables have different value such as for variable a it is going to be value 34 and for b it is 35 since both are different then it is going to give the true and since both are not the same and then for the first one it is going to be false so third one is um, for third one is going to be greater than A equal A greater than B. So for let us take 689 and for seconds six, uh, 770. So as you can see, the 689 is not greater than 797. So it is going to give the false value. It is a greater than b, and this is what the greater than symbol is. As you and for the third one is less than, fourth one is less than operator. As you can see, it is going to check whether 60 is 689 is less than 35 or not. If not, it is going to give the value false. So that's what it will do. Third is greater than equal to greater than equal to greater than equal to if such as 45 and 45. All as you can see, the 45 and 45 is actually greater than equal to is a symbol that actually gives the value such as in range between uh, what this value or greater than such as if we take number 45, then it is going to compare whether a is greater than as you can see that a is greater than b greater than equals to b, then it is going to be whether for b it should be either equals to or smaller than a. And as for second last one, it is smaller less than equal to. It is going to check whether the a is less than or equals to b. It can be same or equal, or whether it can be less than. So that's what it gives. Condition or operator compares operator comparing two values. The result is always true or false. These are commonly used in if else and loops. Use equals to compare value, not equal. Equal is operator is used for assignment. You need to remember. Uh, so third one is logical operator. So let us go with fourth one, logical operator. Logical operator dot py for logical operator. Logical operators are used to combine two or more conditions. They are return a Boolean value such as true or true or false based on the result of condition. Python provides three logical operators. Logical operator actually uses two or more types of condition. They return a Boolean value and based on the result of the condition. Python provides three types of logical operator and not. So first and return true if both the conditions are true, or returns true or if at least one condition is true and not reverse the condition, the result of the condition. So first let us see AND operator. So for AND operator, we we will take the first one. After that, different whether A is equal 5, 5 and 50 is equal 71, 52 and 71. After we run it, let us take our first number 52 and for the second number 71, and as you can see it is going. So the AND operator is usually going to check whether both the operators are going to be true. It need to be both side of operators such as A equal B also need to be true, and only B equals 71 also need to be true, then it is going to be true. Otherwise, if any of the condition is either of the condition is false or both of the conditions are false, then it is going to give the value false. Will give the result false. And that's what the AND operator do. And as for the OR operator also work like AND, but instead of such as 71, as you can see, both the condition or let us understand what the OR operator do. What OR operator actually do, it's check the whether at least either of the have true value. So it is going to give the result of true. If either A equals to 51, either the A is equals to 51 or either the B is equals to 71, and then it is going to give the true. If the both are not going to be true, then it is going to give false state. Such as if we take 51 to 52 equals 80, 68, and as you can see, the first AND operator gives a value of false since for first condition it is true, but for second condition such as B equals 71, it is false. Since it is false, so it is going to give the false. But for OR operator, since since A equals to 52, it's already true. Then even if B equals 71, 68 equals 71 is false, but it is going to give the value of true. So that's what it is true. So for the third one is not operator. So for not operator, so let us understand what the not operator is. So what not operator is the not operator is if the condition of A is greater than 5, which is, as you can see, the A value of A is 52. So, since 52 is greater than 5, but Now, what the NOR operator do is reverse the value, reverse the result, so that it is going to be false. Since it was true, then it is going to be false, and if this is going to be false, then it is going to be true. So, not operator is basically do the what it is to it is reverse the value. So as you can see, it is the truth table for an operator. If both the values are true, it is going to be true. If either the value is true false, then it is going to be false. As you can see, if the B is going to be false, if both A and B is going to be true, then for and it is going to be true. And if both A is going to be true, but B is going to be false, then it is going to give the value false. And if A is going to be false and B is going to be true, then it is also going to be give the value false. And, and for OR operator, it is going to give the value true. And if the either of the if the both of them are false, it is going to give the value false. And for not, since A is true, then it is going to give result false. And if it is going to be false, then it is give the result true. So you need to remember logical operators combine one or more conditions. You can also add multiple conditions such as and and A should be greater than five and the B should be the smaller than smaller than 84 if we going to run 72. As you can see, it is going to be false since the one first one is 52, and as for the second one, it is 71. As you can see, it gave the value true. Since all the conditions are true, it is going to be give the value true, and they are return true or false, and operator returns true only if all the conditions are true, or operator return true if at least one condition is true. Not operator changes true to false and false to true. The condition is commonly used in if else and loop. We will as for the next type of operator, it is going to be membership operator. Hmm, So for member should be operator dot so let us understand what is membership operator. Membership operators are used to check whether the value exists in series or collection, such as a string or list or tuple or a set or dictionary. As he is so such what the membership operator do, it is going to check whether the whether it is not in whether it is present in collection or not, such as string. Since a string is also the string is also considered a collection of characters. It is also going to work in it. So let us go with. There are two types of membership operator. First is in and second is not in. Is- So first, so let us go with. So for since we take a series, a list of values A, B, apple, banana, mango, orange, apple, banana, mango. So let us check for this. Since apple is present in it, it is going to be give the value of true. And since orange is not present in series in the list, it is going to give the value of false. Since or as you can see, as for the orange is not in fruit, which is not, so this condition is true. So it is going to give the value of true. Number resultant of as for the string, uh, as for as for this was the first series such as tuple, tuple, list, set, and for set we can check it like this. And as for the string, if there's any kind of string such as Python programming, we can see that if the Python is present in it, if the word whether the word start or ends with is present in it or not. It can be any kinds of such in the series. It's a what the string is. It is the collection of. It is basically a collection of the a collection of characters such as for the numbering. If we go with numbering for first place, it is apple. For second, it is banana, and for third, it is mango in list. But in string, if we go with this, it in first place it is going to be. For second, it is going to be y, and for third, it is going to be t. So, what this operator do it is it check whether this series is present in it, such as it is going to be exactly like this since it is in it, so it is going to give the value of true. Since this kind of series is not present in it, so it gives the value of false. It can be any kinds of series such as it doesn't need such as ON, uh, such as PR or Pro, such since we are taking this here to here since before checking whether it is present in it, as you can see it gives the value since I have taken from here to here. So yes, it is present in it. So it gives the value true. It's actually tricky. So key point you need to remember for membership operator, operands check whether a value exists in series or collection in a return. It returns true if the value is found in it, and not in returns true if the value is not found. They work with string, list, tuple, sets, and dictionary. And membership operators are commonly used with conditions and loops. So awareness kind of operator is bitwise operator. So let us first understand what is bitwise operator perform. So bitwise operator perform operation on binary representative of integer. Before performing the operation, Python converts the decimal number into binary. So first we will convert a bitwise operator. So we will take number. We will take first. We will take an input. Input. So it is going to take a first number, and after that, let us print bin A and bin B. E value of 3. As you can see, so first I will explain. And bin, so bin function bin in is a built-in function which gives the value of an integer of binary value of an integer, such as I have taken the value of a as 3, and for its integer value is 11. And as for the value of b bin, so its integer value is 100. So what a bin operator actually gives is integer value, and so you can actually see that how the integer value is print. So what the bitwise operators do, it's they convert any kind of integer into binary code, such as for 5 it is 1 0 0 1, so it is going to be 0 1 0 0, and for 3 it is going to be 0 0 1 1. So binary is basically a number which is in 0 1. Usually, data is stored in binary form. So it is in 0 1 form. So what the bitwise operator do? So let us understand first. For binary representative for decimal 3, it is going to be for 0, it is going to be 1, and for 1, it is for 0, it is going to be 0, for 1, it is going to be 1, and for 2, it is going to be 10, and for 3, it is going to be 11, and just like that, the binary will goes on. Uh, So, for understand, so first kind of operator in bitwise operator is AND operator. So just like We have seen and operator in conditions operator as we have seen here what the AND operator was. Vehicle arithmetic assignment comparison. Yeah. In logical operator, we have seen the AND operator. So what the AND operator gives the value, if the both are true, it is going to be true. Just like the in bitwise operator, for first it is going to convert them into binary form, such as computer Python is going to convert it into binary form such as this, and after that it is going to give the between this and this. It is going to perform AND operator, such as for if the both are one, then it is going to be one. If as explained in previous part, value of one is actually true in Boolean, it is true, and for zero it is false. So since both are true, one and one true, it is going to be one true, and for since yeah, here it is zero, and for in three part it is once, then if then for first one it is false, and for second it is true, then it is going to be false. Just like that, for here it is true and false, so it is going to be false, and since here both are false, then it is going to be false here. So when we calculate it here, so after converting into binary, it is going to convert it into integer. So integer of 0001, it is going to be 1. So output of A and B, it is going to be 1. Mm, Just like that, let us go with an example. Uh, print. So it is going to print A and B. So for first number we will take 7, and for second number we will take 3. As you can see, for first both are true, so it is going to be mm, so for understanding we will convert this into bin, convert this also in bin. Also in bin for understanding. So we will take value 7 and 3. So here, as you can see, 1 and 1, it is going to give the value. Since both are true, it is 1. And for second one, it is 1 and 1. So here also 1. And for third one, it is 1. And since here is nothing, it is 0. So 1 and 0 for true and false, it is going to be false. So 0. So here value is 0, 1, 1. So after converting it into integer, it is going to give the value of 3. As you can see, it is going to give the value of 3. Just like AND operator. So that's what the AND operator, bitwise AND operator do. So here, let us go with the second operator, OR operator. Just like AND operator, the OR operator do the what the OR operator do is give the give resultant of these two conditions. Either of the sides should be true. Since both one and one both are true, then it is going to give the resultant one, zero, one. Since either of the one is, it is going to give the resultant one. It is true, false, then it is going to give true, and since it is both false, then it is going to give the value false. So here the print A resultant A or B, it is going to give after converting it into, it is going to give the value print B is 7. As you can see, we can actually see that the A and B. mm, okay. So let us go with the third kind of. So let us go with our third one, XOR. So what XOR operator uses this? So here usually people confuse it with power, but it is not power. It is a operator of XOR. So XOR operator returns one when the bits are different. Since both the if the either of the bits are different, it is going to give the value one. Since both are one, it is going to give value zero. Since both are true, it is going to give value false. Since either of the value is, if it is going to be zero and it is going to one, then it is going to give the result of one. Just like that, here it is 1, 0, and it is going to give the result in 1. And just like that, here, as you can see, both are 0, then it is going to give the value 0. After converting it into integer, it is give the value of 6. So just like that, here it is, that's how it is going to give the XOR operator. So that's how the XOR operator works. So let us go with our fourth one. Fourth one is bitwise operator. Fourth one is not operator. What the not operator is usually do, uh, Python uses to compare representative for negative reason, such as 5 plus. Yeah. What the or NOR operator actually do, I will explain you, such as print, uh, here it is signed like this, and a print in bin. If we do that, then give the value 7, after that we let's keep the value 4. So what? So for a value of is 7 is 0, 1. As you can see, the value of 7 in binary is 111, so it is 011. After that, what the AND operator, not operator do, it is going to reverse each value. So for 1, it is going to be 0, 0, 0, 1. Since last one was 0, so it is going to turn it into 1. Uh, so what the Python after that, after an output is going to be in negative. Python uses two two's complement representative of an integer negative number such as equals to 5 is equals to 5 plus 1 minus equals to 5 plus 1. Python gives the value like this. It is going to is going to check in twos. So for fifth is left shift. Left shift operator is double less than like this, double less than, and each is shifted by one multiply number by two. The multiply each left shift by one multiplies the number by two. So let us understand what the left shift operator do. What the left shift operator is going to do is return if we take the value of 5, then what it is going to do for binary of 5 is going to be 0, 1, 0, 1. So what the left shift operator is going to do after getting shift 1, it is going to shift the place left side. So for first one, it is going to be 0, and as for the second place, it is going to take the place of first. So it is going to be here. Here it was 1, so it is going to be here 1. And since here it was 0, so it is going to be 0 here in third. In second place it was 0, so it is going to be in third place. And since here it was on third place, it is going to be in fourth place. After that, it is going to convert it into integer and going to give the result. So let us take one example. Suppose uh, we will take the value it is left with 1 equals left with 1. We will comment this so that it is easy to understand. Let us take value here b. So let us for the integer such as let's take the value 6. and give the shift by 1. So as you can see here, the first one, the value of in binary 6 was 110. Binary of 6 was 110, but since we have shifted 1 by left side, it's going to be 1100. Uh, each you also need to remember each left shift by 1 multiplies the number by 2. So if you are going to shift then as you can see the resultant value it is going to multiply if it is shift one time it is going to multiply by 2 or it is going to be power of 2. So for second such as 6 if we going to give the value 3 as you can see it is going to give the value 28. So what it gives is going to give print the value of a into into 2 to the power a 2 to the power b. What it is going to give the resultant is also going to give the resultant like this, such as 6, 3, as you can see that. So whatever it is going to be, each left shift it is going to give is a power. It is going to multiply by multiply into the power of 2 of that. As for the left, just like left shift, what the right shift operator do, it is going to shift every bit in right. Each right shift divide each right shift one divided the number by two, ignoring the remainder. For example, for we have taken the value of 5 here. And as you can see, the binary of 5, it is 0, 1, 0, 1. So, as you can see, the binary of 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1. And for since it is shifted left side, so so as you can see, the since last one it is not going to be appear in resultant. One it is going to be zero. It is going to be in one place, and one it is going to be in place. Such as third one it is going to be in second one place. So it is going to be 10. So value of 10 it is 10. It is going to be 2. That's how the it is going to print. You need to remember. So that's the bitwise operator. Bitwise operator is commonly used in system programming, embedded system, computer graphics, networking, and encapsulation or cryptography device drives and perform optimization. Uh, it is mostly used in system programming and embedded systems and computer graphics types and networking and encapsulation. Key points you need to remember about the bitwise operators. Bitwise operator works on binary representative of a uh, integer, and operator returns one only if both are one. or operator is written one or if at least one bit is one, or XOR operator returns one if the bits are different. Flips, not operator flips all bit. Right shift operator, left shift operator, shift bits left approximately multiply by 2 for each shift. Right shift operator shift bits by right approximately divided by 2 for each shift. So that's what it. So this is operator procedure. Also, priorities, operator priorities. So if the operation is going to happen, then the first move for such as if we are going to do it like print. So let us first here on comment it and make another file. Uh, copy, copy, operator dot p1 operator procedure. What we will take only simple examples such as we are going to print. So what the operate procedures is. So who has the highest priority? So it is basically give the highest priority, such as if the operations are in same line, in same condition, who gets the first priority. So what the first operation is going to be, it is going to be of bracket. The second one, it is going to be of exponential or power. Third one, it is going to be an array operator such as plus x plus minus x or not equals to an array operator. Third one, the fourth one, it is going to be multiplication, division, float division or modulus. Fifth one, it is going to be addition and subtraction. Sixth one, it is going to be bitwise shift. And for seventh, it is going to be bitwise and for for eighth priority, it is going to be bitwise XOR, and for ninth priority, it is going to be bitwise OR. Bitwise OR is only this. This is not. It is very common. It is as in PDF. So and for tenth one. Comparison operators. For 10th priority, it is going to be comparison operator. For 11th, it is going to be not. For 12th, it is going to be and for lowest priority. And for last priority, it is going to be XOR. Precision. So since here we will go with example, so it is like this. If this is what going to be, so as per the priority, the first it is going to be since in a line 10 plus 5 plus multiply by 2. So first, as you can see, the first it is priority is multiplication. So first it is going to be multiply. So 5 into 2, and then it is going to be add in 10 to give the output 2. For example, two, as you can see, priorities are given to the bracket. So it is going to be 10 plus 5 uh, into after that it is going to be brackets are higher priority. So first it is going to be in bracket, solve whatever inside the bracket it is. After that it is going to be multiply. Using round bracket, that's how it is. And you need to remember by common as you can see we have understood it that usually common error occurs such as equals to signs, such as using incorrect equals to and double equals to division by zero. You need to remember you cannot divide by zero. If you are going to divide it by zero, it is going to give the zero division error, and Python doesn't support that. Mixing incompatible data types such as if you cannot print addition of different data types. You need both the data types need to be same. It cannot it is not it, such as if you are going to be you cannot print even if both of are numerical, you cannot print it such as like this. As you can see, you can only print the numeric to numeric or not the string as numeric value to only numeric, not the string. Uh, forgetting brackets. One of the common mistakes is forgetting brackets. Forgetting bracket may may be different, may give the result wrong, and it is not going to give the error, but it might be incorrect code. And if it is using wrong operator, you need to remember which kind of operator you use. Usually, bracket operator people use it for in math. It is used for power, but in for power in programming for power we uses in Python, we use is for power double exponential, and for this sign is for bitwise operator. And this is what you need to do the practicing. And as for the this is some simple programming so which we are going to do. So first program is addition of two number which we have did. Second is let us find what is the right. So let us find the problem dot py. So first, second question is calculate the area of a rectangular. So let us try L is and input enter enter in enter length, and for second one we will take the input of breadth, okay, and for a area area equals to length into length into breadth, and after that we are going to do print uh, area comma area 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 equal area of a rectangle rectangle area of rectangle of we will take the length 10 and breadth 5. So area of the rectangle it is going to be 50. Just like that, we can also print the uh, different type of calculation and say using multiplication operator. The third program is check whether the two number are equal. We have already done that. Third is check the larger number using the operator greater than. We have already did that also. Check voting eligibility whether the person is Python program to check whether the person is greater than equal to. You can actually do this kind of programming for this is the practice program. So you need to do that's what the program says, and this is what you need to remember. Uh, the operators are very important for Python, so you need to remember this. Uh, After that, mm, that's what this is it, and this is it. Uh, so as you can see, in today's lecture we have covered the Python operator. So in next part we will cover the conditional statements such as if, elif, and others. So as so in next part we will cover it conditional statement. So this is it. So here, thank you for this. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we will see you in next part. Thank you.